One penny value, guys. This is rare coin in our hand. Let's start by taking a closer look at the 1931 UK 1 penny coin. This coin is one of the most sought after pieces among collectors due to its rarity. The 1931 UK 1 penny features the portrait of King George V on the obverse and a beautiful depiction of Britannia on the reverse. It's important to note that this coin was produced during a time when coin minting was reduced due to economic constraints, making it quite scarce. Now, let's talk about the historical significance of this coin. The year 1931 was marked by the Great Depression, a period of economic hardship worldwide. As a result, the production of pennies in the UK was limited, and this coin reflects that turbulent era. The 1931 one penny coin serves as a tangible reminder of the economic challenges faced by the United Kingdom during this time, making it a sought-after piece among history buffs as well. The value of this coin can range from $78,000 for a well-worn specimen to $100,000 or more for one in pristine condition. Rarity plays a significant role in determining its worth. As we can see from these auction results, the 1931 UK 1 penny coin continues to captivate collectors and investors alike. It's not just a piece of history, it's also a valuable investment. Before we wrap up, let us know in the comments if you have any rare coins in your collection or if you've ever come across a 1931 UK 1 penny coin. And don't forget to like this video.